midnight walk in Tokyo, neon streets and amp, silent alleys. Welcome to Mysterio Miles. Tonight, we invite you on a tranquil journey. We'll explore the hidden corners of Tokyo under the cloak of midnight. Here, the city's vibrant energy softens. A different kind of beauty emerges. Join us as we discover Tokyo's serene soul. The iconic Shibuya Crossing, usually a whirlwind of activity, now rests. The crowds have dispersed, leaving behind an almost surreal emptiness. Neon signs reflect on the wet asphalt. The city lights paint a mesmerizing picture. It's a rare glimpse of tranquility in one of the world's busiest intersections. Listen closely. You can almost hear the city breathing, the usual cacophony replaced by a gentle hum. We now venture into Shinjuku's labyrinthine alleyways. These narrow streets pulse with a unique energy. A kaleidoscope of neon illuminates our path. Shadows dance with the flickering lights. Each corner whispers a story. The air is thick with anticipation. What secrets do these hidden passages hold? Let's wander and find out. Even the mundane takes on a special glow at night. Vending machines stand as beacons of light in the darkness. They offer a comforting familiarity. A warm drink on a cool night. A small moment of solace. These silent sentinels are an integral part of Tokyo's landscape. They are always there, ready to serve. We pause at a quiet train station. The last train of the night is departing. Its rhythmic rumble fades into the distance, a symbol of journeys completed and new beginnings on the horizon. The station, once bustling with commuters, now embraces the stillness, a peaceful interlude before the dawn. In the distance, the majestic Tokyo Tower stands sentinels, a silent guardian overlooking the sleeping city. Its warm glow pierces the night sky, a beacon of hope and resilience. Let's take a moment to appreciate its beauty, a symbol of Tokyo's enduring spirit. The night offers a chance for reflection, a time to let go of worries and embrace the tranquility. The city's energy shifts. The echoes of the day fade away. Tokyo breathes a different kind of life. It's a canvas of contrasts, vibrant and serene, bustling and still, a city of endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this midnight stroll through Tokyo. We hope you found peace and inspiration in its quiet beauty. If you enjoyed this virtual exploration, please subscribe to Mysterio Miles. We'll continue to bring you closer to the soul of cities around the world. Until next time, keep wandering and discovering. The world is waiting to be explored.